Hey guys, I wanted to put together a quick video here. I stayed up here working on this project. I wanted to make sure I wanted to make sure that I got this done. Since we got some time constraints on the project. What I did is I created a bot here that's made for speed. Okay, this isn't going to do any of the signing up for Gmail or Craigslist or anything else. It's going to work off of a PVA account that's already in place for one of these cities, an IP address that's already in place, password, a Gmail account with an autoresponder set up in the city. Okay, so what it does is it automatically loops list total here. So there's 13, so this will automatically do 13 loops in this format. Okay, and it flies. We've got it within about 2 minutes per loop, about 2 minutes and 20 seconds per loop. So without any issues at all. I respun a lot of the content to make sure that it was a lot more unique to prevent ghosting. So if you see here, random post to post, everything's similar like this. Rather than having 100 posts of the same message, I installed a plugin here into the app which allows us to spin content on the fly. So I've got 3 completely unique posts that are spun on the fly, real heavy, real good quality though, completely separate. See, this one's completely different format here. Same thing with the titles, with the tracking links, with the compensation posts. They're all spun real fast on the fly. I'd be shocked if we ever got ghosted for duplicate type of content. This will allow us to run these bots a couple times a day without a problem. So the way that I see it is we're about 202 minutes and 20 seconds on this runtime. So if there's 362 Craigslist nationwide, and 362 times 2 minutes roughly equals 724 divided by 60 minutes per hour, it's going to be about 12 hours runtime to post in every city in the country. The good news is, because the way the content is spun, we could actually run 2 of these simultaneously on top of each other. They automatically choose the top 5 job categories that fit the industry we're going after, and they automatically choose the top 3 gigs, which is computer, creative, and writing, if the jobs categories have a fee. So we'll watch this run real quick. Let me grab the stopwatch. Okay, that's reset. We'll go ahead and click play. Alright, so stopwatch is up. We'll start that. Alright, it's going to go to the first one on the list, which is Central New Jersey. Okay, it does it all in a new window, so it's right here. Alright, Central New Jersey, it's going to go there, log in. Oops, sorry, I actually have it set to start on 3. I should have zeroed this out. So I got to start on increment 3. So it's starting on the 3rd one on the list. I was trying to check something, so I went back and changed something here, but yeah, if I change it to 0, it'll start at 0. So it's starting at number 3. But still fine, just for sake to show you. Okay, so it's going to choose a random gig. It chooses computer gigs, spin the title. There we go. Spin the body. Okay, now it's going to put specific location local. Alright, it's going to put show my real email address, so the autoresponders work, and I tested them, they're working perfect. There we go. And it will click post. Done with images. Alright, there's the ad. Okay, boom. So now what it's doing is it's refreshing this page 10 times off here on the right. There's a guy that talks about ghosting, and even though it's not published yet, he says at this screen, if you refresh it 10 times with the same IP prior to clicking publish, he swears that it makes the ads bulletproof against ghosting. He says that rather than having 1 or 2 people flag it to take it down, it'll take 10 or 15. And he seemed pretty confident about it. I don't know, the people in the comments seemed like they thought it worked as well. So just in case it does, hey, you know, we're going to sacrifice 30 seconds here and refresh the screen 10 times. If that makes our ad stay up, you know, it's worth the 30 seconds, seeing that we are coming away from a bot that took about 30 minutes to run. So we would have only been able to get about 10 posts per day if we're lucky, 20 posts per day if we're lucky. This one's going to run at fire lightning speed and post in every city in the country for a 12-hour and 20-minute run time. And you know, we can run two of these simultaneously on top of each other, posting all different sections. Okay, Kansas City, thank you for posting with us. Really appreciate it. Because they're PVA'd, there's no verification links to have to click in the email or anything like that. So that's pretty awesome. Alright, so I forgot to stop it. It was a 2-minute and I think 26-second run time. So now we're going on the next one, which should be number 4, which is Kansas. The Arizona. Oh, we might have gotten past the Arizona post. Okay, yes, we're number 5. Alright, here we go, Phoenix. We'll try for job offered first. Okay, $25 fee, so it's going to loop back out and it's going to go into gigs instead. It automatically searches both. Okay, gigs, I want to hire someone, random gig for the top 3 categories. This one's going to go in computer gigs. Alright, it's going to automatically choose location 1 through 3, so it's going to choose Phoenix North. Alright. Alright, there's the title. There's the body content. Alright, local. It's going to put the spun compensation content. It's going to click show my real email address. Boom. Alright, done with images. It's going to load the page 10 times. Give us a little edge on the ghosting. Then it's going to run on right through the rest of the list. So I mean, we've got a 7-minute and 30-second video so far. We've already posted the 3 cities. Absolutely no problems. This is fast, it's lean mean, it's going to give us the edge, it's going to let us post really fast and accomplish the numbers that we need to. And I'm going to create a separate bot that's just going to create the accounts, and then I'll manually put in the PVAs. I'm thinking about going down to Verizon and picking up a cell phone, getting a cell phone plan. I did some research, and one of my buddies sent me an email. He said that Verizon gets okay service here, but if you put a signal booster in your computer, you can pick up the signal. That'll allow me to get the PVAs through the cell phone manually, pretty easy, without having to use somebody else. So I'm going to let this continue to run. I already checked a bunch of ads in a bunch of these cities. They're all posting. There's no problem. So we should start to see some traffic coming in from this. Usually it takes about an hour for them to actually go live and post for whatever reason. But I'm going to be watching this traffic closely, since we'll be in these 13 cities in the jobs and the gig section here. So let's rock and roll, man. Later.